Get ready with me for a birthday party. I do not know what to wear. Okay, I'm planning to wear a skirt. Boing. Okay, I'm gonna go with this shirt. Let's go wear it. Okay, I kind of look a little fat. Okay, instead of the skirt, I kind of look fat, so let's go with the skirt. Boing. Okay, so I'm wearing this, and then I'm gonna wear my skirt. Let's go with this skirt. Boing. Okay, I went with this skirt because it's more longer, because the other one was super short. Now let's go with leg warmers. Guys, this is so tight. Also, I wore my leg warmers. Okay, done with my clothes. Now let's go with makeup. It feels so good when you just take out a tight hair tie. Brush. I don't know if it's like a boy or a girl, but I'm gonna sing there. I'm gonna be like, yeah. But yeah, we have to look good for the party. Birthday party. So I'm gonna put a little bit makeup, but not too much. I'm gonna go with a little bit of eyeshadow. Highlighter. My mom said I kind of look bad, but I said, oh, you mean I look pretty? Grr. Next, we're gonna go with my favorite part. Okay, instead of that weird shirt, let's go with this crop top. Say hi to my mommy. Yeah. That's it.